parked here this police helicopter. This is a cartoony model helicopter. Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of toy vehicle serially arranged here. All are nice and beautiful color combination. So now I will hand drive one by one all of these with my hand. At first is a cartoony model drum truck. So friends, I parked here my first toy vehicles, cartoony model drum truck. This is pink, paste and purple color combination. Next one is here a Power Beku. I parked here this Power Beku beside this drum truck. See this Power Beku. This is a realistic model, yellow and black color combination. This Power Beku. And now I will drive this DS Tarzan car. I also parked here this DS Tarzan car beside this Power Beku. This is a pink, black and paste color combination. This nice model DS Tarzan car is a realistic model plastic toy. So friends, one by one already 3 vehicles hand drived and serially parked here. Next one is a cartoony model police helicopter. I parked here this police helicopter. This is a cartoony model helicopter. You can see this color is a pink and paste color combination. And this one is a mobile sports car. I parked here this sports car. This is a realistic model car. You can see this color. This is red, yellow, blue and paste color combination this car. Now I will drive this 4-wheeler jeep car. I also parked here this 4-wheeler jeep car. This is a realistic model jeep car. You can see this color. This is green, red, black and pink color combination. This nice car. This is the last one is here a cartoony model elephant car. Let's go. I parked here this elephant car. This is a cartoony model car. You can see this color. This is red, yellow and white color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. All are nice and beautiful color combinations. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.